Hello all babes watching. This is an unboxing video. I will now unbox my product of the product I have here. This is a high power USB charger from Unisync by Universal Creation with integrated phone stand and cable solution. Let's go over some details, shall we? It is engineered in Sweden. The worst country in the world. Should be taken over by the Russians very soon, I hope. Because Russians are better than Swedes. Then we have a USB-A 2.0, very new, very... Yes, and 12 Ws, 2.4 A's. That's also very useful for later. Professional safety certification. That's good because we don't want an unsafe product, will we? Want? 5 years warranty. That probably expired 5 years ago. Let's read the back packaging, shall we? The Unisync Premium USB charger is safe, high power packaged in a beautiful and compact case with practical features. Custom electrical component design allow it to be the probably slimmest charger with this power in the world. It's very slim. It's Slim Shady in the package. Wow. Unisync is a manifestation of the drive to continuously create careful utility for the people. We feel that attention to details and fascination with perfection are key parts of product engineering, and that a product's quality is evaluated by the value it provides to society as a whole. And this thing provides a lot of value to society. Let's see, it's the most universal standard. The traditional and robust USB-A 2.0 connector is used globally in everything from alarm clocks to airplane seats. It will not go away anytime soon. Optional convenience. The durable and removable silicone loop enables you to conveniently collect your looped cable together with your charger during travel or storage. Integrated phone shelf. The backside of the charger have a slot to support your phone. Leaning against the wall, this is very practical since you won't need to put the phone on the floor. Who wants to put their phone on the floor?
Not
Let's
me.
see here. Whoa, even more, but I don't want to read that. High power USB charger with integrated phone stand and cable. Oh, I already read that. Okay, let's get to the unboxing, shall we? Wow. This packaging is very average, very slim, like this product. Nothing down there. This is the Top Gun. A lot of talk time.
I love talk time.
Remember to click the link in the description to watch the Top Gun review. It's very important that you watch that one first for context.
It's this one is the prequel. No, wait,
This is the sequel.
This is the sequel. That one is the.
This is the first, the original. Okay, so let's throw away this. Now this is very good packaging. I would put everything I own into this.
Like, for example,
Like this shit that I own.
like
You don't know me.
like the
Like
Top
the
Gun, Top Gun.
Yes.
The dock doesn't fit, but that's okay.
Who needs a dock anyways?
Yeah, only weirdos.
I don't know how to fix this.
This is okay.
Let's get back to the product. Here it is.
Wow.
Has a lot of text on it for, I don't know, why not? And yeah, you can plug it in like this, in the wall.
Let's go plug it in the handicap toilet with the diarrhea and everything.
Follow me, boys.
As you can see, it smells delicious in here.
Let's just be quick. Okay, so as you can see, this thing here goes into the wall, like this. Then it starts to light up and shit.
Where do you put the phone?
You put the phone, not on the floor.
This is
Up there,
this is where you put the phone, and this is silicone. You can put the cable in the silicone.
That's it for today, folks. Let's leave the handicap toilet. Oh, but it smells like shit in here.
We are here in the poopy together for you guys to make this review. So I hope you enjoyed, and please leave comment or something. I don't know how it works these days.
Yeah,
It's
sorry, too complicated. Well, see you next time. Goodbye.